Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today lecture is about the most probable speed, the speed at which NV has its maximum value is called most probable speed. So if I differentiate NV with respect to V and equal to 0, then we'll get the maximum velocity which will be gained by the particle, and that maximum velocity we call it the most probable velocity. And in the previous lecture I have told you that it is at the top of the NV and velocity slope or Maxwell distribution slope. Now if I put the value of NV from the Maxwell distribution, so it will become del by del V, and this is the Maxwell distribution value, which is 4 pi n m by 2 pi kt 3 by 2 v square e minus mv square by 2 kt whole square. Now this is a constant term and we will remain with v square and this term. So first differentiation of this one, and then second, then first and the differentiation of the second, so we will get this mathematical result. Now this is a constant value, so that is non-zero. So I will simplify this one to 2v t e by mv square plus v to mv divided by kt, and this one is equal to 0. Now if I take common e minus mv square, e minus mv square by 2kt, so we'll remain with 2v minus mv cube divided by kt. Now again the exponential term is non-zero, so this is equal to 2v minus mv cube divided by kt is equal to 0, or v into 2 kt divided by m minus v square is equal to 0. So there are two possibilities, either v0 or either this term is 0. So if v0 or v square is equal to kt divided by m, so or if v is 0, so what will happen, so it means it has a minimum value, because in v 0 is 0, so we exclude this one, which is not possible. Similarly, if you look v square is equal to kt divided by m, so v will be equal to plus minus this value. So if I get minus this one, so it is also not coming in the domain of the gas molecular speed, it is coming outside of the container, so that is why we exclude this one as well. Therefore we will remain with the positive value, which is v is equal to plus 2 kt divided by m square root, which is the maximum value of the NV. So we call this maximum value of the NV as the most probable velocity. Now if I put the value of k, which is equal to r by na, so we'll get with 2rt divided by nam, and this nam is actually the molecular mass, which is capital M, so that we get Vp is equal to 2RT divided by